Welcome to Expert Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called scenario planning. For business scenario planning, which enables decision makers to identify range of potential outcomes and estimated impacts, evaluate responses and manage for both positive and negative possibilities. From projecting financial earning and estimating cash flow to developing mitigating action, scenario planning is more than just a financial planning tool. It is an integrated approach to dealing with uncertainty, but it is more than just a way to recognize and mitigate risk or plan for growth situation. Scenario planning is also about visualizing different representation of an organization's future based on assumption about the forces driving the market, some good, some bad. Scenario planning is a process pioneered by the US military, which today runs exercises looking up to 20 years out to guide R&D efforts. So why is this scenario planning important? Scenario planning can provide a competitive advantage by enabling leaders to react quickly and decisively because a situation has been thought through and actions documented. No one has to scramble when you enter into a crisis. The scenario planning also gives executives and board of directors a framework to make non-emergency decisions more effectively by providing insight into plans, budget and forecast and painting a clear picture of key driver for business growth and the potential impact of future events. Types of scenario planning could be quantitative scenarios, financial model that allow for the presentation of best and worst case version of the model output. In operational scenarios, one of the most common type of scenario planning an organization will undertake internally. Operational scenarios specifically explore the immediate impact of an event. The scenario provides short-term strategic implication. Normative scenarios, these describe a preferred or achievable end state. These scenarios are less objective planning and more geared towards statement of goals. Strategic management scenarios, essentially stories that say little about company or industry but more about the environment in which products and services are consumed. Thanks for watching. Bye.